Okay, guys, I bought the 1 billion decibel horn. I've just finished installing it. Oh god. All the tools here. I've chucked the old one in the bin. You can tell because it's brand new. Okay, 1 billion decibels. Get ready for the world to end. Okay, let's just start this thing up. Yep. Ready? Oh, I don't need to start. I can just press the... Ready? Everyone, headphone warning. That's 1 billion decibels. What the fuck? I'm gonna hold it down here and press the horn again. Where the fuck is... There it is. I don't think that's 1 billion decibels. In fact, it sounds exactly the same as the one I just took off. Okay.